Welcome. This is your space to pause, to soften the noise of the world, and come back home to yourself. You've already taken the most important step, showing up for your peace. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. Whether you're seated, lying down, or gently reclining, let your hands rest where they naturally fall. Let your shoulders drop, and let your body feel held by the surface beneath you. Now, bring your attention to your breath. No need to force or fix anything. Just to notice the gentle rhythm. Breathe in through your nose and softly exhale through your mouth. Inhale, exhale. Let your breath carry you deeper into the present. Let's gently scan the body. Bring your attention down to your feet. Feel their contact with the earth or the surface beneath you. Imagine your feet rooting into the ground, as if sending gentle tendrils of calm downward. Now move your awareness to your legs, your thighs, your hips. Notice any tension and allow it to dissolve. Let your breath move into your belly, softening the muscles there. You don't need to hold your stomach in. Let it rise and fall naturally. Now your chest, your shoulders. Drop your shoulders away from your ears. Unclench your jaw. Soften your eyes. Let your tongue rest gently in your mouth. You may begin to feel a soft warmth or stillness moving through your body. This is the body remembering what peace feels like. Let's settle into a gentle breathing rhythm. Inhale deeply for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2. Exhale slowly for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Now allow your breath to settle back into its natural rhythm. Trust your body to breathe for you. Trust that it's working for your healing. If any anxious thoughts arise, just notice them. Acknowledge them gently and let them float away like clouds passing through the sky. There is nothing to fix here, nothing to force. Just breath, presence, and peace. Let's enter a space of calm through your imagination. Picture a place that makes you feel safe, peaceful, and at ease. It could be a warm forest path, a quiet lakeside cabin, or a softly lit room with cozy blankets. Take your time to arrive there. What does it look like? What do you hear? What's the temperature like on your skin? What does the air smell like? In this space, you are completely safe. Nothing is expected of you. Nothing needs to be done. You are wrapped in the soft energy of calm, and you are allowed to stay as long as you need. Breathe into this feeling. Let your body soak it in. Feel free to return here anytime life feels overwhelming. Let's come back into the body. Feel the breath in your chest. Feel your hands resting gently. Notice how stillness feels in your limbs. Now allow these affirmations to settle into your nervous system. You can repeat them quietly in your mind or simply receive them. I am safe. I am grounded. I am not my anxiety. My breath is my guide. I am allowed to slow down. Everything I need is already within me. If any part of you resists these words, that's okay. There's space here for all of you, just as you are. Breathe in, let go. You are doing beautifully. As we begin to close this practice, notice how your body feels now compared to when you started. Maybe you feel lighter. Maybe just 5% more calm. Or maybe the peace is subtle, like a whisper in the background. Whatever you feel is perfect. Bring your attention back to your physical space. Wiggle your fingers. Roll your shoulders. Feel the ground beneath you. Take one last nourishing breath. Inhale through the nose. Exhale slowly through the mouth. Know this calm is not something outside of you. It lives inside you, and you can return to it anytime. Thank you for giving yourself this time. From all of us at Lotus Lounge, may peace follow you gently wherever you go.